this one going to be a bit involved. You can see we have a quartic, fourth power. Not going to be able to do it by grouping. We're going to have to do it by using the rational zero test. To do that, you find factors of the constant term divided by factors of the leading coefficient. And those are the possible rational zeros that you can have. You test them out with synthetic division. So we'll call that thing C. We'll call this A. Let's find the factors of C. It's just plus or minus 1 and 3. For the leading coefficient A, we've got plus or minus 1, 2, 4, and 8. So here are the possibilities, the C over A. Plus or minus, you can take the 1 divided by 1, take the 1 divided by 2, 1 over 4, 1 over 8, and then do the same thing with 3's. So we have 3 over 1, 3 over 2, 3 over 4, and 3 over 8. It's quite a bit to have to check. So remember that what you could do is you can graph the thing and see where it touches the x-axis, get an idea of what numbers that you should test out with synthetic division. Let's go ahead and test out, say, 1. Draw your little box. Coefficients 8, negative 4, negative 10, 3, and 3. Bring down your 8. 8 times 1 is 8. Subtract 4. Multiply times 1, 4, get negative 6. Multiply times 1, negative 6. Add them up, get negative 3. Multiply again. Remainder of 0, so that one worked. Okay, so notice that I still have a leading coefficient of 8 and negative 3 this time for the C value, the constant. So all of these things are still possibilities. So you just find another one to choose. Maybe you can choose 1 again, maybe negative 1, or maybe, how about negative 1/2? Let's just give that one a try. Alright, so bring down the 8. Negative half of that is negative 4, make 0, 0. When we multiply, negative 6. Negative half times negative 6 is 3. Well, look at that. That one just happened to work. Okay, so rewriting this is quadratic, so it's 8x cubed minus, whoops, I'm going to make that squared. 8x squared minus 6. That's the first factor. From this one we have x minus 1, and then from that one we have x minus, plus a half. All this equal to 0. So you set each of those factors equal to 0. 8x squared minus 6 equals 0. So add your 6 over. Divide by 8. X squared equals 6 over 8, which is 3/4. And then take the square root of both sides. Plus or minus square root of 3/4. You can break that up as plus or minus square root of 3 over 2. Alright, so there's 2 of the answers. From this one, I have x minus 1 equals 0, so x is 1. There's the third one, and then from the last one, x equals negative a half. Of course, we knew that anyway because those are the 2 that we got from synthetic division. We have 4 answers, 4th degree, that all makes sense. Alright, this is the trig side is to be continued on the next video.